Yeah, there's dolphins in there too. Come look on my screen right here, Ma.
In the corner and you can see breath.
Man, there was so many different kinds of birds at first. There's like these white ones and these black ones and then these dolphins in the water.
Look way down the river at whatever's running right
The
now.
dolphins quit, I think, when we came out here running or
Yeah,
something.
that's them down at that point. See them right
Yeah.
there?
But they were thrashing with the birds right there. I heard like what made me run and grab the camera was like,
The swoosh.
no, it sounded like Embry cannonball. Then I look over and see water 16 feet in the air from where the dolphin just jumped out.
Yeah, I see them down there still turning the corner. They've splashed a lot. I'm sorry. Watch your step, then we don't step on the
Man, I wish I'd had the phone right there at the beginning.
You know what I don't like about like birds taking on water?
Yeah,
That's the fact
everything.